good. Great location and restaurant. Huge room, good aircon, and anything you need is yours for the asking. I got an iron, a fan to distribute the aircon around the room, and a 240V adapter for my electric toothbrush. The restaurant has excellent prices with a 30% off sandwich special from 2 to 6 p.m. is a great deal. The food is excellent and the beer prices are very reasonable at 80 pesos. The location is excellent. I can walk to the filling station on P. Burgos Street, lots of entertainment in that area, in about 7 to 10 minutes, and Rockwell Power Plant Mall in about 15 to 17 minutes. Century City Mall is a 5-minute walk away and can serve all your needs, as well as a nice movie theater. There are several markets close by like SM and a marketplace in the mall, and a 7-Eleven is just a few-minute walk over by the Knightsbridge condo complex. The staff is wonderful, the service is excellent, and I have stayed here 5 times so far. I highly recommend Artina Suites and will stay again whenever I am in this area. Good. Large room and clean room. Room are large and clean, will go back again. Great stay. They upgraded my room for free. The hotel was also located at the best spot, near a mall, transportation, and 24 hours convenience store. The staffs are friendly and accommodating. The room is clean and facilities are working well. Looking forward for my next stay. Nice location, great hotel location, and very accessible to all. Lovable hotel, very cozy and comfortable rooms and very friendly staff. Leisure, great leisure hotel. Nice location, comfortable bed, easy to find. Good location, nice place to be in Makati. Comfy, good place to be in Makati. Location is perfect, great location. Easy as 123, complete and chill hotel with lovely people. Will come back again, accommodating staff.